Do you know about 5 lessons from Ghazali that work better than coaches? Today, many people look for meaning in books on self-development, motivation, and coaches. But almost 1,000 years ago, Al-Ghazali gave answers that are still relevant today. Here are 5 lessons from him. Wise, simple, honest. Knowledge without practice is like light without eyes. It blinds, but does not lead. Modern info gypsies know a lot, but do not live by it. The heart is the king. The organs are subordinate. The king is corrupted. The whole kingdom collapses. Coaches often talk about the external. Ghazali about the internal. Seek sincerity, not show. Whoever does good for the sake of people will receive only their praise. Whoever does for the sake of God will receive peace of heart. Ghazali teaches to purify intentions, not show, but the essence. Death is the best teacher. Every morning is a step towards the grave. The wise one is he who prepares for eternity. True wealth is in modesty. The greedy are poor even with millions. The modest are rich even with a piece of bread. The opposite of the culture of success and luxury.